as long as amaphepha ahlezi la kule sandla lena isipani sami ushaya isipani asami sobona manje ukuthi right now sisiza bani simsiza kanjani as long as ahlezi la and aphelele sitoyithoma nampilo khona itoyifeza asisebenzeni.
Njani?
Ngiyaphila kunjani?
Ngiyaphila.
Igama lami ngo-Mr. Axon obani?
Precious Wakathabet from Swaziland.
Precious Wakathabet?
Yeah.
From Swaziland?
Yeah.
So you're coming all the way from Swaziland?
Ngifike kwisikolo wami.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, ngakusiza ngani Precious?
But nginenkinga ngathenga imoto sokuthi bengithe mangithenga le moto ngizoyibhadala 3 months yabo. So ngahamba ngayithenga imoto but ngithenga esenoveli lomunye ubabe Nigeria une garage. So ngabhadala ngaqala ngoOctober ngabhadala imali and then ngabuya futhi November ngabhadala ngaDecember mangithi ngiyocethela ukubhadala bekathi imoto 70,000 and then mangithi ngiyocethela ukubhadala angitshela ukuthi imoto manje ikhuphukile ithi 80,000 ngithi mina manje ngidobhadala imali lesele yonke le bisele bekusele I think bekusele 23,000 yeah bekusele ngithi ngiyobhadala yena 2015 December nomnyaka lophelile. So mangithi ngiyibhadala avela ngitshele ukuthi imoto manje ikhuphukile ithi 80,000 ithi kanjani ukuze sasikhulume thina usayine phasa amaphepha nangakhona sikhulume ukuthi imoto 70,000 athi yena ngeke azakwadi kunginikeza imoto yena ngathi mina njengoba ungeke ukwadi kunginikeza imoto ngicela unginikeze imali yami yonke athi ke yena imali manje akanayo ngakaza nginikeza ngathi phela ngifuna ukuhamba ngiyothenga lenye imoto ngalokuthi wena uyala kunginikeza imali yami.
So imoto ikhona uyayibona ngaso sikhathi leso?
Ikhona imoto ngiyayibona uthi angikaza nginikeze saying 80,000 before beyin 70,000. So kitame babhlungu kakhulu ngahamba ngabuyela emuva ngathi imali akanayo yena manje.
So le 20,000 boyiphethe ukucedelela?
Yeah, bengiphethe cash vele.
Wayenza kanjani ngayo?
Ngajika nayo. Wathi vele angijika nayo akasayithathi yona. Njengoba ngasayithathi so mina ngithi ngikwadi ukuthi ibe 80,000 imoto angijike nayo imali yami lele bengithi ngicedzela ngayo. Yona ndimfotama ngayo ukukhuluma netro. Ngahamba ngabuyela emuva ngathi ngicela ungirefind wathi akanayo imali ukungirefinde yona. And then in January ngahamba ngayi police station Sinoville. Bahamba nami kuye bathi nginika imali yami ngoba akafuna ungibhadala. Okay, mangihamba naye ngiye police station bafike bathatha abanye bamfu bangaphandle la sebenza nabo. And then
babathatha babisa
babathatha ukuthi usebenza nebamfu bangaphandle labangana amaphepha.
Yeah.
And then ohamba naye police station bamfonela bathi utosithola police station ngotakithi utositshela ngentsaba yaka Precious ukuthi kwendakalani. Athi yena uyeda vele base bathathela bentelo ukuthi yena aye le police station ngoba vele bathi unokubalabaleka yabo. So mabamthatha lo bahamba naye weda vele police station bafike bathi uyamati Precious wathi ngiyamati wathi mati kanjani wathi ukathenga imoto kimi and then nakathenga imoto kimi masabuya kimi toyicedzela ngamtshela ngathi imoto saying 80,000 manje. But okay fine siyakufa mrefine imali yakhe. Wathi yena akanayo imali manje. Lethe iphoyisa no siyakubopha manje sikubophela ukuthi uthathe abantu bangaphandle abanganamaphepha okucala avuma umthefo lokho ukuthi ukwende utobhadala 10,000 athi yena. So le mali bengiyibhadala lo ngiyobhadala nini la police station bathi police station asingenzawo thini kuloko sitshela kona imvolo kumele uyende wena ukuthi ubhadale Precious imali yakhe o amhlalisa amaphoyisa I think bamhlalisa ilanga lonke.
Abambophanga
yena bakambophi yena wavete ID yala South Africa but in Nigeria. And then yena wathi imali ngaza ngibhadala akanayo vele. Lase liphoyisa lenye wona yatselela yona imoto ufuna ukumnika Precious nemali yakhe ufuna ukumnikeza. Lathi Precious thatha le phone ngathi ifoni ayikho vele ngento yinto ngifuna ufuna imali yami. athi-ke yena imali akanayo angitshele impilo lamaphoyisa athi mina yibona vele ngikhostile manje kumele yena abhadare umumfo wakhe manje ukuthi imali atanginiketa yona vele anganginiki imali okay kwashaya uJanuwari kwashaya uFebruary ngathi wanginiketa 4,000 wanginiketa ngama 3,000 kwaze waba u17,000 yasala-ke imali yasala kwasala u19,800 so mangibathe ngiyamhambela akafuni nasekhothini abambita kazange aze ede athi lamaphoyisa esisi hamba uye kunomnye ubhuti bathi u-X repo
wona bongamazi u-X
bekunokumbona nje TV like benginganakangaka sengiyakhumbula ukuthi uyasithana like into angabe ukuthi umcela ukuthi unenkinga lefana nale seyile lamaphoyisa athi thina abamfonela kuqala bathi asambe la sebentela khona bahamba nami khona bafika khona le garage la khona kuze besashintshile igarage le bengilate mina bamfonela ngefone number yakhe washo ukuthi ukuphi yena makasho ukuthi ukuphi saya khona masifika khona samfika yena athi ake akasekho yena sophumile khona lapha khona ngetinkinga takhe but igarage yakhe la sathengisela khona sabona ukuthi nako la kunaleti imoto khona asifike khona pho abamfonela bathi wena kahle hle uhlala kuphi wathi lophevele iphoyisa wathi bangambuti shiti ukuthi uhlala kuphi yena
utshela amaphoyisa kanjani
nje amaphoyisa kanjalo amaphoyisa they try amaphoyisa athi funa u-X repo umthole ne and then uye kuyo X repo takusothela yena lo lona uyathelela
manje uthi u-X kusiza ngani
ngifuna ngisida ngokuthi ahamba ngilandzele imali yami le kulo mufu lona because mina mangiyalene amaphoyisa vele akafuni mina kunginiketa so ngidocela wena ukuthi uhambe ungilandzele because ithi sukela last year ngenyanga kumele ngitela ngidobheka yena ngilandzela netindzaba takhe ukuthi kumele anginikete imali until ngize ngifike la ngikhona manje because indzaba le beyindlule naka sheriff khona bangibhadalisa imali ngabona ukuthi no angeke ngilungele na ithi ngihambe ngiqhubeke nendzaba yaka but X repo utongisita yena because benginokubona ukuthi bamfika basita ku TV
alright ngikhomba amaphepha so la asebenzela khona uyakwazi manje
yeah ngiyakwadi la sebenza khona
okay alright kulungile mama utakusita X ne uzokufonela sometimes this week and then we'll take it from there
so ngicela kubude but esikuthi kuyoba imvele livini ngoba kumele ngibiyele ekhaya kunogogo ekhaya uma sekamthala
sometimes maybe kusasa or yeah kule viki le sokusesa
ngiyabonga kakhulu but exercise yebo
kunjani ndoda
bodi wakhe unjani
neshapu man lo sisi uyamazi
ya sister yakhe amazi
umazi kanjani
salahla kumele kunwaka ngikwerekela bodi mkwa nabatsa kholo
and then
ibayile arrangement ri boss waka ka taba ya upatela kholo so what happened is that the sister she paid the amount of the money and then she said no I'll finish and after this period and then okay she left and then she came again she paid another amount of the money
ubano ya mtshela ukuthi isesela
yeah ungisalana manje
love dum 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 love dum 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 love love dum 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 love dum 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 love.
He wants to see his niece.
wothatha umama uyombeka kwakho
isizathu sihle kumkhiphe kwakho
Sikuza unobukhuphu. Ukhuphu itoza.
you are married
You're married. Ubuthengisa impilo yakho nge500. So manje seyakhupha. Yeah, vele
You think you know Formula One? Think again.
Everything is changing.
New cars, new power, new teams,
A new destination.
a new generation.
We live and breathe every lap. Anything can happen. And usually does.
No favorites, no guarantees, no limits. You think you know Formula One?
Every free click you make is harmful to us. Every illegal stream robs legitimate broadcasters, costing jobs. You can't claim to love the game if you're stealing it.
Behind every video frame are thousands of livelihoods, people that make television and films for you.
And when jobs are lost, families are left devastated.
Those free streaming sites don't just steal our jobs.
They steal from you too.
Your personal information,
Your banking information,
Your money.
all these expose you to cybercrime. When you pirate a story, you destroy the chance for us to tell the next one. Make the right choice. Support what you love.
Love, dum 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 dum. Love, dum 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 dum. Love, love, dum 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 dum. Love, dum 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 dum. Love.
Yes, I said, please come here at your side, at your place. The new one. Yes. No, I'm alone.
Faka loudspeaker, man.
I can hear you.
I'm saying I asked you to wait for me at Colonel.
I'm at your place already. The taxi was passing at your place.
So you're down there at Sanovi.
Yeah. At your place, the new one.
All right. I think you need to come out of there. Let me pick you up on the main road.
No, already I'm at your place.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. Come out of there. Come to the main road. I'll pick you up on the main road.
On the main road.
Yes.
Why?
Why?
I remember I was supposed to pick you up, Moss.
I'm at your place. Come at your place.
All right, sharp. Bye.
Sharp.
You were still explaining.
Yes. So, that's what happened. Sorry, can I take this call?
Some of us are saying, "Oh,
So, how are you, sir? Yes, sir.
What is going on there?
And the one that you said I must call them to come and pick up their cars. They already moved some of the cars, and Bra Ike took his cars, and Bra Eddie. Eddie.
Hello?
Bra Eddie.
So where are you?
I'm here by the stand.
So why is that guy saying that ex-Ripple people are there?
No.
Who is ex-Ripple?
There are some other people that came here. I'm sure this issue is for Willie and the sister, the one who once wanted to borrow a car from us. So I don't know how did they finish it. So now they came here, the cameras. They tried to ask me what happened to the sister about the car, and they want him to be here, but Jim is not here. So I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are they gone?
No, they're here. They're even listening here.
They're doing what?
I mean, they're listening. They thought maybe it's Willie.
Yeah, what?
I mean, they are listening. They thought maybe it's Willie. I told them that no, I'm no longer working with Willie. I'm working with Sunday. Yeah. So they're just asking me questions because by that time I was still working with Willie up there. So that's the matter. Yes.
So who called Ike to come and take his car to Arnold?
No, he just came alone. He said he couldn't find us to another stand there. Remember? He came to our new stand there, then he couldn't find me, and then he came this side and then find me here. He said, why you move my cars from that stand to this stand? I was like, it was just an emergency because I wanted to move them again that side if we arrange with that guy. So that's why I moved the cars yesterday that side to this side. He said, no.
I can't hear you. So what?
He said, you want to pack them to Arnold because you guys, you can't remove these guys to the new stand to bring them to the old stand this side. He left it here. No, they're even listening, Brasande. So that's what I'm trying to explain to them, that, okay, I was working with him before, but now I'm no longer working.
Excellent one.
So I don't know what's going to happen here. It looks like they came prepared with a truck. I don't know which car they want to take, or I don't know what's going to happen here.
Yeah.
Just here by...
I think how?
I don't know. I don't know.
Wait. Like I should come there because
Yeah, you need to. Yeah, you need to be here now, like as soon as you can.
Yeah, I'm coming there.
All right, sure.
So, Bafan, drop your phone.
Yeah. Very good.
Awungitshela. Why manje lusisilona ningampatalanga imali yakhe?
Sorry, my boss, let me just go straight to the point. My brothers, I don't want to lie to you. Even the sister, she knows that all this drama is not my fault.
Whose fault is it?
It's for Willie.
So where's Willie now?
Willie didn't come here since yesterday. I didn't see him because I came here yesterday to drop some of the cars here. There were no cars. I'm sure if she came last time, she didn't see many cars like this. Ne? Me, I'm working with this guy who was calling me. Ne? That side, they are renovating. They said, no, move your cars. So he asked to put the cars here, the tenant.
Okay,
so,
but I'm not interested of moving the cars. My question is, why you are not paying this lady?
I don't know, brother, because this issue, they were working together on this issue, the sister and Willie. I don't know where they are now, and I don't even know how much did he pay her. Was since when I leave Willie. That was last year, Yeah, last year.
Willie wathi mina ngeke azangibhadale just because ukhiphe nini ejele le mali lebo kumele angibhadale yona ukhiphe nini ejele ayangibhadala anginikete imali.
It's not even the one who pay for that. So you can't even say that thing because me, myself, I pay for myself, and this guy, the one that I'm working with, he's the one who pay for me. Ne? So from that time, because of this drama things,
ubeke wena nale site lela babeke wena ngisho ma site oyithula wonke umuntu maqhamuka ubhutilo yamaqhamuka bekamele wena. Yeah, lo uthathe ufika uthatha imoto lo ukhuluma ngemoto yakhe lo. Uthe umele wena ngoba uwela ubheke la lo shiye wena uwile.
They call me to come and show them their cars where they are. I give them the location. They came here. I show them that okay, here.
But extra for abana ngifika sonke isikhathi bebabaleka lapha. Sonke isikhathi bebangibalekela. Ezilitho mbephlungu kanjani ngisuke ekutheni suka Swaziland. From nini uyibona ngine passport la ngakubonisa iphume kora gate.
If I ever run away from you, me myself.
Bekanitshela uwile ukuthi ngibalekeleni mangiqhamuka ngithole empty even noma siqhamuka namaphoyisa benivele ngene phakathi kwetimoto nibaleke. Bese banitshele so.
Sister, okay.
Benibaleka.
Sister. She can tell you where
even
I was
namaphoyisa bangifakaza ukuthi nibe ningibalekela.
They even come there, police, where I'm working. They know where I'm working. I even give them this address. That's why they came this side.
Yeah, ngikhuluma ngento last time ngifuna imali yami
I never ran away. Because me, I can't run away to something that I didn't commit.
Bakolota malini mama?
Bakolota 19,800.
All right. Call your boss to pay the lady. If there's no payment, I'm taking this car right now.
Love, dum 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 dum, love, dum 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 dum, love, dum love, dum 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 dum, love.
How you doing? I go first.
Yeah, one sec.
Enjoy responsibly, not for persons under the age of 18.
Meet Mordecai and Rigby. Legends return simple tasks.
We rule at setting up the chairs.
Into epic chaos. Join Benson, Muscle Man, Skips, Pops, and a different regular show legend every Saturday. On the most insane, legendary, totally awesome quest to save the universe and to clean the park. Never! Regular show, Best of Characters Marathon. Every Saturday at 4:55 on Cartoon Network.
there are great stories of justice and resistance. Stories of triumph and of togetherness.
We need inspiration.
That stirred hearts and transformed people and nations.
This is our destiny.
This is how we fight.
Into something extraordinary.
A rainbow nation.
The Courage and Reconciliation Special. Saturday, starting at 4:25 on TNT.
Ever since I can remember, I've always wanted to work with animals.
We need to help. There isn't anybody to sort of stand up for them.
How long has he been in pain?
I hope it's still savable.
It's really important to give every single effort to try and help.
It's about doing what I love. It's a great feeling.
I know that you have given them a second chance. It's just enough to want to do this job for the rest of my life.
Brand new Saving Britain's Wildlife, Saturday on Discovery.
Love, dum 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 dum, love, dum 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 dum, love. Love, dum 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 dum, love, dum 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 dum, love.
Baba, be straight with me.
Guys, the owner for the stand, he said he's coming here. He's the one who knows the owner for this car.
Which one is for Willie?
Willie doesn't have any car.
Then I'll take this one.
Doesn't have any car. Even this one, he doesn't even know that this guy's here.
Then I will take this one. You will explain.
Okay, let me call him and tell him what is happening. Because me...
I want my money, man. I want my money right now. If there's no money, I take the car. Simple.
I hear you, my boss.
Kucala ngibambelele from Swaziland utela sonke isikhathi mangitala ngiyagibela ngiyabhadala emateksini.
What you saying that he's spending too much every time when he comes here?
Every month, even nasekhota ngazange attend court.
Even me, I thought maybe he already finished with the system. That's why I said I don't even know how much he left to pay the system. So what I was trying to explain about this issue, what happened is that after the sister paid the money, that guy, it was on packet sale. Him, I don't know how much did he give the owner for the car, or he didn't give the owner any amount of the car. So the owner came and collect his car and sell it somewhere. When the sister came, the car was normal.
Yeah, but why don't pay?
Hey,
why don't you pay the lady?
That time the car was there,
Yeah.
But when you came after.
Why you didn't give him the car the time he came?
No, it's not normal
But
power.
On whose power?
On Will's power, because he's the one who was on the garage.
But now I'm asking you a very nice question. You're making me a stupid idiot.
Ababuze maphoyisa wathi nithathela usisi imoto animniki imoto animniki imali mnike nokuyi1 kuphela nanganginiki lutho.
At
the end of the day, who do you think will lose? Huh? Who must lose? Because of you paying the money.
Each and every month since last year.
Which is not good, to be honest.
You are telling who that? Nonsense. You are telling me that it's not good. You think I don't know that?
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, honest.
Can you please help me to call Willie, because these people, they said if he didn't send the money now, the one that is owing the sister, they're taking any car.
That's 19,000. I will collect any car right now. I don't give a belong to who, belong to who. Nonsense.
Honest,
yes.
Can you call Willie? Willie is working there.
I don't give a about that one. Hey, listen. That one is not my baby. I don't want to hear it. It's either you transfer the money now or I collect one of this car now. I don't care how much is it. Because of you make this lady too much stupid for too long.
Honest.
I don't want honesty now. There's no honesty here. If honesty, this lady will be paid.
Honest.
Yes, sir.
Give me the phone.
How? Nonsense.
Honest, where is that car for Willie that was there before? That's Ford. Where is it?
Figo.
Yeah, where is it?
It's here, the back there.
Show me that Ford one.
Yeah, just
stupid idiot.
You just need a battery on it.
Yeah.
Which one?
This one.
Which one? Oh, later endleleni le.
Where's the key for this car?
Let me confirm quickly.
You see now, hey, Bab, I will ask you again. I want you to tell me where's the key. I don't want you to tell me stories.
Yeah, I want to confirm because I was not working here.
Where are the keys?
So I just want to ask this.
Where are the keys for the owner?
You can key follow it.
You are making me a fool, you know? You want to see what I can do to you? Besides that, I will deport you to Malawi. Idiot. I want the key. They're owing you
19,800.
We are going to check this one is 48,000. We are going to take it now. Open. Always when he comes here, you hide yourself. He comes here, stories, nyaga nyaga.
What's a nigga wena?
Yes. Yes.
Hello?
Yes, talk.
I don't want to talk to you. I want to talk to the people working there.
You are stupid. I'm taking that car.
You are stupid.
Okay, I will show you who's stupid. Take it, that nonsense car out there. So mama, le moto lesayithatha manje. Angisho?
Yebo.
Uyoyibeka. Masakafakile imali yakho, msendele account. Ufake nama-cost wakho wonke wama-travel. Sijwayela kabi lo mfana lo. Hey, wozala wena? Take down this account number and tell that nonsense Willie to put our money. It is now 25,000 we want, including cost, from Swaziland to here. You understand me? Yes. And then after then, if he pays, then the car will come back. If it doesn't pay, then it's fine. Shabale moto, baba. Shabale moto, baba. Shabale moto. Shabale moto fast, man. So, ma'am, uzizwa kanjani manje?
Yo, but ngijabulile kakhulu yabona umsebenzi wakho uyawenda shem. uNkulunkulu kasibekele wena nje uphile. Qhubeke wenda umsebenzi wakho ngendlela lefanele. Uyasebenza ngijabule nje kakhulu angifuni icambe manga. Bengalana nasebhlungu sihlityo yami ibhlungu kakhulu ukuthi ngisuke eSwatini ngidala ngihambele lite sonke isikhathi kodwa kuba khona kwakho.
Madoda sebenzani manje?
Ngibonga kakhulu but uNkulunkulu akubusise kakhulu. Angathi ukuthi ngichaze kanjani.
Uzokuscam akusendele imessage efake. Uhamba uye bank or ungene ku-app yakho uthenge i-airtime ngale mali uyi-check ukuthi vele usendile imali. Mangakasendi imali ungamniki le moto lo uyangithi uthi ngithini?
Angeke ngimniki.
Ayibe straight imoto le.
Manje manganginikede amaphepha akhona ngoba engathi uyabaleka namanje ukhona la eKhokutheni into wenda kanjani?
Uyasibona vele ukhona vele la. Hayi ungawari wena sisi. Le moto la i-20,000 uzoyithola iso. Ungathi uyithengisa iscript yathi nganamaphepha. Bazokunika. Isebenzisa wona sisi.
Ndayisebenzisa.
Sebenzisa nyalo.
Ndoyisebenzisa shem ngiyabonga but uNkulunkulu akubusise shem.
Yebafethu. Akusheshwa man.
Ngibonge kanye nabafethu umsebenzi lenisentela wona shem muhle kakhulu shem siyajabula kakhulu. uNkulunkulu njani nibusise nonke.
Ubani manje lo osivalelayo lapho? Alright. Mama. Amagama akho okuvala kule camera le. Yena emotweni fast lapho.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu Nkosi yami ngiyabonga kakhulu but exilo wendile nakulabanye wende njalo ngihlezi ngikubona usebenza uyasebenta. Kuyangijabulisa lo wenda kumsebenzi wakho. Imoja TV nayo siyayijabulela kakhulu umsebenzi lo wendako. Ngijabule kakhulu. Angathi ukuthi ngadichaza kanjani namhlanje lewe ngijabule ngakho.
Thank you mama. Right, imoto yaphuma. Mama, hamba ukugibela emotweni. Nasi isikhiya sakho. Mzansi. Le ndaba lokuthi ama-car dealership